Are you sure that your gold is the real deal? Even if it is, do you know how to tell the difference between genuine and imposter? I'm James, your virtual jewelry expert, and I'm going to give my professional tips from 20 years in the jewelry industry to tell if your gold is real. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you love helpful jewelry info, you better hit that subscribe button. We're always posting great jewelry content. There's a saying that not all that glitters is gold. Could you imagine cherishing your gold jewelry only to find out it's a fake? Determining if your gold is real can be done through several practical tests and observations. Here are some effective methods. Check for a hallmark or a stamp on the jewelry, which indicates its gold purity. Common marks include 24K, 18K, 14K, or 10K, denoting the carat and purity of the gold. Higher numbers indicate greater gold content. Real gold is not magnetic. Use a magnet to check the piece. If it's attracted to the magnet, it's likely not real gold. However, some non-gold metals may also be non-magnetic, so this test should be used in conjunction with others. This method involves applying a small drop of nitric acid to a discrete area of the gold. Real gold will not react to the acid, while fake gold or gold-plated items may change color or show other signs of corrosion. This test can be done with a gold testing kit, available at jewelry stores or online. Gold is a dense metal. By measuring the weight of the piece in relation to its size or volume, you can determine its density. A higher density than typical for gold may indicate authenticity. You can compare it to known gold items or use a scale and a water displacement method for more accuracy. Although more intrusive and only to be used as a last resort, lightly scratching the item on a non-abrasive surface can help. Real gold will leave a golden streak, while other metals may leave a different color streak. If you're still unsure, bring your item to our certified jewelers who can inspect your piece to determine the authenticity of the gold. By using these methods, you can effectively assess whether your gold jewelry is genuine, ensuring you make informed decisions when purchasing or valuing such pieces. Thanks for joining us on this enchanting journey into the world of jewelry. If this video taught you something, please show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. We love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so share your insights in the comments below. And to keep the sparkle alive, make sure to subscribe to JewelryWise for a wealth of in-depth knowledge, expert tips, and the hottest trends in jewelry.